The main challenge to make the new generation of Tempur Material was how to improve an already market-leading performance. So the customer, they would like to have a nice, long, deep sleep. And what they do not want is pressure points. The Tempur Material is pretty unique because it responds to your shape, your weight, and your warmth, and it conforms and adapts to your body, and it absorbs motion and relieves pressure. So a unique signature is the way you feel when you sink into a Tempur mattress. All materials, they have a point where they start to melt, and so does the Tempur Material. It's when you lie down to the mattress, start to warm it up, you pass through that melting point. At that specific point we call the glass transition temperature. This is where the material starts to go from a solid phase to a liquid phase. And that point is room temperature. The pressure relieving properties in the foam are very active there. When people use the term magic, it's always because you don't understand what's going on, right? As a scientist, you really want to know what's going on, why does the material behave like this, and how can we enhance it? This is nature, right? This is physics, right? And we haven't stopped yet. We will take it even further. So the target with the next generation of the Tempur Material was two things. One was to further develop one of the key parameters, is pressure relieving property, so the people can have an even better and longer, deeper sleep. The second was to make the foam compressible using less resources, and also that will be good for the environment. We went for this liquid CO2 option as a blowing agent, where we know it's environmental friendly, but it's also insane complex. The blowing agent is something you need for the material, the Tempur Material, to expand to get the right performance of the material and the density. The liquid CO2 is at low temperature and high pressure, and we need to put that into the liquid stream. So it makes it very complex. It took us like 8 years to work around that to make it happen, but we managed to do that. So we did not only deliver one new material. One is a Tempur Adapt material, which is our CO2-based signature material using less resources, which is good for the environment. The second is a Tempur Advanced material, which provides us 20% more pressure relieving properties. The secondary benefits of the new Tempur materials is definitely using less resources, which is good for the environment. And second, we have a more consistent performance of the material in different climate areas. And the third benefit is that the foam can be compressed, and in the long run, we can enable a more efficient transportation. After thousands and thousands of trials and tests, we can finally provide an optimized performance of our products that helps people sleep better, longer and deeper. And that's what makes me proud of being a part of this.